Are you ready to capture someone's heart and make them think of you? This powerful love spell takes just 3 minutes, but its effects can be magical. Let's start. First, grab a blank piece of paper and a pen. In the center of the paper, write their full name. Below it, write your own name, crossing over theirs to symbolize a deep, intertwined connection. As you write, focus on your intention. Feel the love and connection you want to share. Next, take a pinch of sugar or honey and sprinkle it gently onto the paper. This step symbolizes sweetness, harmony, and attraction, making their thoughts and feelings toward you warm and positive. Hold the paper in both hands, close your eyes, and take a deep breath. Imagine them smiling at you, thinking about you, and feeling a strong pull toward you. Visualize your bond growing stronger, as if the universe is aligning to bring you closer together. Now, say these words out loud, 3 times. Your thoughts are with me. Your heart is open to me. Our bond is unbreakable. Speak with confidence and belief. Feel the energy of the words as you say them. Finally, fold the paper toward you 3 times, sealing your intention. Keep it somewhere close to you, like under your pillow, in your wallet, or even in a safe spot in your room. Each time you see or think about the paper, remind yourself that love is already flowing your way. Trust the process and let the energy work its magic. Remember, love spells are about aligning your energy with the universe. Approach it with an open heart and pure intentions. Try this tonight and let the magic unfold. Believe in yourself and believe in love.